Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2024 27 MAV Momentum toy hauler from our friends at Grand Design. We haven't brought in a new toy hauler in a few years, but with lots of demand, we figured we'd give it a shot this year. And this unit is a beauty. Let's take a look inside. Toy hauler, of course, meant for exactly what it sounds like. You want to bring all your fun toys along with you. This has the room and the capability to do just that. You can see on the floor mounts here, you can strap down a couple bikes. A side-by-side will fit in here. Depending on what your toy is, come on in and see us, folks, and we'll find the floor plan that's right for you. Just going to zoom back a little bit so you can get a better look at the space in here. This is a straight wall unit. So within that, the floor plan very smartly laid out by Grand Design to give you lots of room for that living space to be functional and still be able to get your fun toys inside so you can take everything with you when you go. There is a drop-down bed, as you can see up above. Come on in, folks, and we'll show you a demonstration of that. Just pops down really easy on those pistons you see on the right and left. There is a seating area here as well. This table, we've gotten it out of the way for the moment, but you can slide that table right in between there to give yourself a spot to sit and eat. And those will also fold down and create a couple of extra beds. So all kinds of sleeping space here in the back. You can see we've got the party deck down. Of course, that will lower down for a ramp so you can load your toys on. We're filming this video at the show here in February, so we've got our friends at the Power Store have loaned us this cool quad, which will give you the example of what will slide inside the unit. You can see from the deck looking back in, all kinds of space in there for your inside fun, and with the party deck, of course, you've got all kinds of room for outside fun as well. So you can really open this up. There is a screen built up in here too, so that you can leave that open and not have the bugs come in and drive you nuts. Heading to the front of the camper. Oh, just one thing, hard to miss these nice big windows you got on the campsite, which is rare. You don't usually see windows like this on the campsite of a straight wall trailer. So just again, good use of the floor plan by Grand Design. Main bedroom here. Walk around queen bed, shirt closets on either side. You've got little cubbies in behind each shirt closet that have a 110 outlet as well as the dual USB. And then you've got some wardrobe storage here as well. Nice big sliding barn style door. Saves you that floor space again. Can't stress enough the great floor plan layout from Grand Design. Good sized bathroom in this unit as well. You've got the high-rise faucet over top of the sink. Good counter space to the right. And there's your medicine cabinet with some storage. Good sized shower with the matte black finish to the fixtures. And a foot flush toilet to round things out. So again, love this unit. The 27 MAV Momentum toy hauler from our friends at Grand Design. Very unique. First time we've had one of these in. And we're very excited about it. Come on down and see us, folks, here at the show. We're going to carry this unit all year long, too, so you may see this video in the future. Know that we will have one of these either in stock or available for you if you'd like to get one. Have a great day, folks.